I don't think people understand the depth of beauty and history nestled in the heart of Europe. Let's dive into Germany's rich tapestry together. Imagine strolling through the vibrant streets of Munich, where the past and present meld seamlessly. Here, the air buzzes with the energy of Oktoberfest, the world's largest folk festival. Picture yourself sipping on the finest Bavarian beer, surrounded by lederhosen-clad locals and visitors from across the globe, all united by tradition and celebration. But Germany's allure doesn't end with beer. Journey through the Rhine Valley, where castles perched on high cliffs overlook sweeping vineyards, or explore the poetic landscapes of the Bavarian Alps, inspiring artists and thinkers for centuries. From the enchanting Black Forest to the historic charms of Berlin, every corner of Germany offers a story. And whether you're a history buff, a culture enthusiast, or just in love with beautiful scenery, Germany welcomes you. Feeling inspired? Dive deeper into what Germany has to offer at CountryDiscover.com. And don't forget to subscribe and comment to share your thoughts and experiences. See you in Germany!